Hello folks, this is a quick update video as the interface for Craft has changed just a little bit since the last videos were made. First of all, you don't need Craft for your exercises, other than that there are some helpful tools. What you need Craft for is, well, you don't even need Craft, but what's helpful about Craft is that it allows you to connect your Sketch to your InVision account so that you can upload deliverables like for your project deliverables. Okay, so I've got an exercise file up here, but know that the real use is going to be on your project deliverables. So the first thing is that if you're on campus, you're going to be on a lab, one of the Mac labs in computers in the Mac lab there, and you're going to want to go to Applications and find the Craft Manager. When you double click it though, it's easy to miss, but it was in my instructions that appears in the application bar up here on the upper right. So it's easy to miss, but there it is. You now drop it down and you can click Install the Craft Tools for Sketch. We are not using the tools for Photoshop and they do not work on the Mac Lab, so please do not worry about those. But with these installed, you should see these options open up, and we just need to click Restart Sketch. And then we will see now when we open our files back up that we have the Craft Manager toolbar here. Okay, so that's how you get the Craft Manager on. If you wanted to use the styles feature that is demonstrated in the video that's in the lessons, no problem. You can just go here and document, create styles or sync styles, whichever option, and it will pull up a collection of the fonts and whatnot used. But as I showed in the earlier video today, you don't need that. You can also just click through the file to see the fonts and settings there. Side note, you'll also want to make sure that you actually have those fonts installed on your computer as is demonstrated in that other video. Now when it comes to actually doing the sync step, which you will do for your project deliverable and not for these exercise files, the process is still going to be to click on this button here in Sketch, but notice that what happens now is we're kind of taken over to the Craft plugin, where you should log in with your username and password. And then you can still select an existing prototype or create a new one in order to publish the selected artboards. So the process there is still very similar, just walk through the screens that you see here and you'll be in fine shape. Last of all, I hesitate to show the website because things do change over time, but at the current, the Project Deliverable 7, which goes over style tiles and using the Craft plugin and using InVision, there's a video down here at the bottom that overviews how to do style tiles, and the portion at the end here goes over how to do this whole step where we're actually uploading to InVision, and some caveats there that even if Craft doesn't behave for you well, you should be without excuse. There are ways to get your artboards directly uploaded into InVision. So make sure you're watching that video before getting too frustrated with how things are working here, and remember, for the exercises, Craft is not even needed. But now you know a little bit more about how to get it going. Good luck.